So I've been gone for a really long time, and that is because, as you can tell, our house is now empty. This is the official last day for us in the house. You might hear the Mustang in the garage, I'm not sure, but here's the family. The house is empty. As I said in a previous video, we're moving to Utah, and part of that deal is you gotta sell your home. We're not in a position to where we could keep it and lease it out and rent it and stuff like that. We need the money from this one to buy the next one. And so here's the office, all empty. It's just crazy because I remember when we were first here, you were a little baby girl and you were running around the Christmas tree over here.
Oh, is that so funny?
And it was just like, this was like a home of our dreams. Courtney and I got to build this one with my dad's company, Mansell Custom Homes, and we got to pick every single thing. I remember us picking the barn door, picking the floor, and just being in love with it. It's the wood look tile, you know, we've got just everything in here was ours. It was our choice. I got to pick how big the garage was, but luckily the home in Utah, I think is gonna be just as beautiful, and I think you guys are gonna see a lot of similarities to this one. Now we didn't get to pick near the amount of stuff up there. Actually, we got to pick nothing. It was already being built. They had all the selections made. So we're going along with those, and just so happened that everything matches pretty much what we did down here, except
exactly what we would have picked anyway.
Yeah, so it all worked out. The home is huge because it's got a basement, which is something we don't really have much in Texas. The garage is massive. The doors are massive. So the truck actually gets to park in the garage, which I'm super excited about. Driveway is a little bit steep, but like I said, we've got that big garage so we can do whatever we need to do in there. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's time to say bye to this house. It's a tough one for me. I've lived within 20 minutes of where I live now pretty much my entire life. So leaving here and moving to Utah is a massive, massive deal. Luckily we have a month buffer in between where we're gonna be staying with Courtney's parents. They're super nice to let us come and move in with them while our house finishes being built in Utah. And then we'll be in Utah sometime in December, knock on wood. Hopefully everything goes smooth, the rest of the build, and we get to go to Utah. But for now, we've got to send this house off right. So we're gonna go to the garage where the Mustang is warming up. And we're gonna rip a little bit of a two-step in the garage. Got this puppy warmed. So Courtney's gonna back out, put the car in place, hit the two-step a little bit. Here we go. The new home for the Mustang till December. Got close over there, but plenty of room. She's safe. So thanks to my father-in-law for letting me park it in the garage and move his project outside. This is a original Bronco here, boys. So sick. I don't know. We're trying to get it running, driving, stopping. It runs and drives now, but it doesn't stop. Doesn't have brakes, so we got to work on that. That's it for now, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick life update, let you guys know what's happening with the house, with the move, with the cars. I've got some stuff coming for the truck. Like I said in the last video, I've got a ton of stuff for this thing. I just got to find the spot to do it and someone that's got tools, because all of my stuff is in storage now. Can't really get to that. So it makes it a little tough to put parts on. And I do have some friends with tools and some space. It's just a matter of working it in with their schedule. And I like to get it done down here before I get up there where I don't have any friends to help at all. As you guys know, it's super nice to have the help of your friends. So that's going to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for the delay. I'm trying to make more content while we're down here and while we're doing that. While we're getting ready for the move is what I meant to say. So once all that's over, I can't wait to bring you guys some sweet Utah videos. There's already been a couple Mustang guys up there that are hitting me up. Excited to meet them, cruise with them, and kind of see what their scene's like. And when we go up there, man, people drive like crazy. So I don't think the Mustang is going to be anything crazy on the road. There's a lot of nice cars. As you know, if you watch the Stradman, he's up in Utah, and they just have some amazing vehicles in his videos. Enough jibber jabbering. Car's safe. It's the first time I've driven it in the rain in a really, really long time, and I do have the slicks on it, so it's a little sketchy, but luckily we're just going across town, nowhere too far. I think we drove a total of like 5 miles, so nothing bad. But I'm gonna shut this guy down and we'll be done with the video. I guess it's not a Mustang video if I don't end it right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.